Okay, let's go ahead to the particulars. Just go to the enter and copy paste all this code, paste over here. Now just change the name, copy this particulars to particulars. Okay, and we can also use for each, and we have to use data row, because for each it is not a standard. We can use data row dr in dt. We can use this object dt rows. Okay, and for that particulars, just copy this one and paste over here. Dr dot, sorry, 0 dot to string. Okay, it's finished. Okay, other thing, just make it comment if you like, for each or for as your wish. Third thing is that in the amount we can also type here alphabet and numeric, so we shouldn't give the option of alphabet. We have to remove it. For that, just go ahead to the properties, go ahead to the key press event. Before that, there is a code for just allowing only numeric value. If e dot key character is equal to, sorry, and you have to change that character keys dot dot. Okay, so actually here is it may be here is the code quantity key press event. Just copy and paste this. After this code, it will allow only the numeric value. This character for digit, this character for back if I want to delete back, and this for delete. Delete means it is for dot. It will allow only numeric number value and back option and dot. It is not actually delete, it is actually dot symbol. Okay, just run it. Go to the menu output. Okay, electric. Okay, it's also working properly, but there is one difference is that we have not written down particular name. We have just written electrical bill. So this amount I'm not, now I'm just pressing alphabet, it is not accepting. Okay, 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 it also focus over here. Third option is to just delete it. Okay, save box. Okay, this also error, two error. First save box should be over here, save box, it should be delete box, and here it should display the. Okay, and there's a third error is that about double name. Why it's coming? Because it's showing all the electric vehicles, so we have to use distinct keyword to just show one, and we have to use here particular combo box, 3 error. So just check it out, 3 error. So first error, save box, it should be delete box. Second error over here, so just go to the enter event, expense not, we want particular. Okay, it's also working, this for each. And the third one is that about distinct. Okay, what we are doing, we are just selecting if what is the error it is showing, because we are selecting all the row, all the record, so it showing again and again bill, electrical bill. For that we have to use distinct keyword, DISTINCT, distinct. Just copy this and paste over here, type. Okay, distinct type not, sorry, here we have to write particulars, and here we have to write the table name, that is expense. Now we have removed 3 errors, just run it. Okay, just check it out whether it is showing. No, it is not showing. It is showing the distinct value. Okay, over here there is some error, I think. Okay, over here let's check. Okay, delete box. So here's one error, box error, it's not showing the particular. Just close it. Particulars, remove S. Okay. Oh, there is one error. In the particular, it should be by particulars, order by particular. Okay, okay, just enter. Just check it out. Okay, okay, it is working. Particular ABC electrical Patel. Okay, so now this is a complete form. Okay, now like this only we have to just copy and paste income form. Okay, so the code and the project will be in the detail form, and also I'm just sharing my PayPal account, so you can help by just giving some amount dollars in that. I'll show. Okay, this is my account. If you want to pay as you like, you can pay for helping this, because I am just without any uh, money for compulsory. I am just sharing my project. For that purpose you can help if you like, if you don't, as your wish. I'll just share my link of account in the below detail. So just thanks for watching, have a good day. In the next form we'll create income, and also for the report of the expense. Okay, thanks for watching, have a good day.